What do a pool table, a closet full of gaming GPUs, and a Jersey garage have in common? They somehow helped launch one of the biggest AI IPOs in recent US history. CoreWeave, which just went public with a $1.5 billion IPO and a $14 billion valuation, started in the most unlikely way, with a failed hedge fund, some spare time, and a few Ethereum mining rigs. Before we dive into this wild story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the future of AI infrastructure. CoreWeave's journey began when three hedge fund colleagues, Michael Intrator, Brannin McBee, and Brian Venturo, found themselves with time to kill after shutting down Hudson Ridge, their energy-focused investment firm. They were already using machine learning to analyze energy markets, so they had a taste for tech. Curious about crypto, they started mining Ethereum on a pool table in a Manhattan office. That turned into stashing rigs in a closet. Then came the ultimate cliché, setting up shop in Venturo's grandfather's garage in New Jersey. The scale escalated quickly. CoreWeave became the largest Ethereum miner in the world for over 2 years, eventually running 50,000 NVIDIA consumer GPUs, chips meant for gaming, not for running 24/7 in hot, unventilated warehouses. They built automation systems from scratch just to keep everything running. But crypto wasn't the end game. They saw potential in AI. To pivot, they partnered with EleutherAI, an open-source group building large language models. In exchange for access to GPUs, CoreWeave got a crash course in AI infrastructure and, unexpectedly, a customer base. Startups working with EleutherAI began hiring CoreWeave for their compute needs. One of the early wins? Stability AI. But they needed serious funding to scale. Venturo recalls literally pounding on a dinner table to convince Magnetar Capital of the AI boom, and it worked. Magnetar wrote a $100 million check. Then came OpenAI. Through their open-source connections, OpenAI discovered CoreWeave. And since Microsoft was OpenAI's top investor and sole cloud provider at the time, Microsoft also took notice and became CoreWeave's biggest customer. Fast forward to now. CoreWeave operates 32 data centers with 250,000 GPUs, including NVIDIA's ultra-rare Blackwell chips. OpenAI has even replaced Microsoft as CoreWeave's top customer with a $12 billion deal. Not everything is shiny, though. The company is carrying $7.6 billion in debt, much of which matures in the next 2 years. With $1.9 billion in revenue and $15 billion in contracted business, they say each customer deal is structured to pay down the loans. But the debt has made some investors cautious. Despite the rough IPO reception and financial concerns, the story behind CoreWeave is extraordinary. How three hedge fund guys with a pile of GPUs built a foundational player in the AI revolution. Venturo admits it's been a lucky ride. But luck combined with smart bets on open source, crypto, and AI just might be the blueprint for the next tech giant. Check out the related video in the corner to explore how AI infrastructure is reshaping the future even further.